Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tiramisu. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, like creamy mascarpone cheese, fresh eggs, and strong espresso. Then, we'll prepare the ladyfingers and a rich coffee mixture, ready for layering. This easy guide will help you create a classic Italian dessert that's perfect for any occasion. Remember to chill it thoroughly for the best flavor and texture, ensuring every bite is absolutely delightful. For our tiramisu, you'll need 6 large egg yolks, which provide incredible richness. Combine 1 1/4 cups of freshly brewed, strong espresso, cooled to room temperature. Whip 2 cups of high-quality mascarpone cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. You'll also need about 24 ladyfingers, ready to absorb that delicious coffee. These specific measurements ensure a balanced and authentic taste, making your tiramisu truly special and irresistible for everyone. Now for the fun part, assembly. Dip each ladyfinger briefly into the coffee mixture, about 2 seconds per side, to prevent sogginess. Arrange a single layer in your dish, then spread 1/3 of the luscious mascarpone mixture evenly over them. Repeat these layers, finishing with a generous top layer of the creamy mixture. Finally, dust the entire surface generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. This careful layering creates the iconic look and incredible texture of a perfect tiramisu. Once assembled, it's crucial to refrigerate your tiramisu for at least 4 hours, but ideally overnight. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and ensures the dessert sets properly, giving it that perfect, firm texture. When you're ready to serve, use a warm, clean knife to get neat, elegant slices. You can garnish each portion with a little extra cocoa or some delicate chocolate shavings for an extra touch of elegance. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.